Summit Mountain. I
Which
don't know why I'm
mountain?
speaking French, but I feel like a French explorer.
Mount Bierstadt.
Mount Bierstadt.
Bierstadt.
And how long?
Which is
How
German.
high are we climbing?
14,060 feet.
And we're starting where?
I don't know. We're starting
11,600.
11,600. That's what the Elkie.
Because Karen told you gotta have something. The hills are alive with the sound of music.
It's windy and it's probably hard to hear, but we came, the cars are there. We are, say hi.
Almost.
Hi.
Almost.
And we are headed
Hey, just need to
I-
get enough air.
Yeah, that's what I have to do. I can't
up
do it like you.
there. Touch it right there.
Baby, did it! You guys have to get that sign.
Touch it. Touch it.
Touch
right
it,
there.
baby.
Good job, Craig.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Happy birthday, old timer.
Craig, hold the sign, baby. 60.
That one says
60 years old today, baby.
So when we text this lovely lady here, she says, "Oh, that's great, you're coming up. It's Greg's 60th birthday, and we're thinking about going on a 14er. Well, this Floridian thinks we're going to hike 14 miles. Hey, we've been hiking Zion, we've been hiking Bryce, we've been hiking, what else? Bryce Canyon. We're thinking, no
Hanging
problem.
Lake.
Hanging Lake, we got no
14
problem.
miles?
And then I start talking to people. Yeah, I'm going to do a 14er. Oh, that's pretty cool. You know what that is? Like, yeah, 14 miles. No. It's 14,000 feet. Up. And we started at what?
740. We started at 740.
No, what
Oh.
the elevations?
Oh! 11,600.
So we climbed about 3,000.
Yeah, almost 3,000. Yep.
Well, these four old people, it took us how long? About 4 hours?
Oh my gosh.
What time is it?
Those young bucks over there did it in about 2 hours. Oh, to be young again, half the age.
But you know what? We're all at the top
Yeah,
together.
Ours is making it up.
We're here.
We did
We
it.
did it.
Doesn't matter.
Happy birthday, old man.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Best birthday ever.
Uh-huh.
No, it's on. It's on. Look, it's on.
Okay.
Okay. And here's a piece of cake.
Oh, wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Craig. Happy birthday to you.
And here, that's for
Thank
you
you.
today.
Jim Bean.
Baby one.
did it.
What you did.
We did it.
Went right up there, man. Very top. All the way up there.
Well, that was a pretty amazing hike. Never been on our channel before and you like going on hikes and you're learning about RV stuff, and go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell and keep in top, or give us a thumbs up if you really like this video. And I'll go ahead and post on the links below some of the other hikes that we've done so you can catch up on some of the different places that we've been in the last couple months. So hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.
Okay, there was two real good friends named Jim and Bob, and they just loved baseball. And they were, up there in age and everything. They said, whoever goes first, I tell you what, we do, make a deal. Let's make a deal. Whoever goes first, can you come back and communicate to me if there's baseball in heaven? And they said, okay, they both agreed to do it. So, Jim died, and Bob was sleeping one night, and he heard this voice going, Jim, or wait a minute, Bob, whatever. Anyway, he goes, yes. He says, I'm here to tell you something. Oh, great. He says, I got good news and bad news. He says, well, that's good. Tell me the good news. He goes, well, the good news is there's baseball in heaven. Oh, man, that is so good. That is super. There's baseball in heaven. What's the bad news? He goes, well, the bad news is that you're slated to pitch on Friday.
And that is a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Summit Mountain. I
Which
don't know why I'm
mountain?
speaking French, but I feel like a French explorer.